My name is Rachel, this is High Five DIY, that's high as in high in the sky, and today we're making Zoey's costume. Yeah! I did already make Rumi's costume if you're looking for that, so go ahead and look at my videos. Get back to Zoey. But to start with Zoey, Zoey's costume was actually based off of Rumi's bodice pattern, which was based off of the t-shirt, which was graded up in size, the neck heightened, the front closed, a zipper added, and the whole bodice was extended. Wow! Have you ever tried to edit and film when your kids are out of school? I have, and it doesn't work, by the way, if you ever want to try it. I'm gonna try to bring them to a trampoline park and see if we can center ourselves. Here goes, say goodbye to sound quality. Cutting the lining, cutting the outside fabric, patterning that funny little accent guy. Wish, there he is. Slap that cutie on the bodice front. This is me telling you that I have a problem attaching this lining to the outside of the fabric due to this little design feature. Oh, but don't worry, I'll solve it through the magic of origami. Don't look at my house, don't look at my house, don't look at my house. Oh yeah, we put those gold things on. Now we got a little razzle dazzle. Putting on some trim, but those adorable stinkers are bored again, so we're gonna take them somewhere new. For being good little stinkers. Off to the beauty supply store.
Close your eyes.
I'm sorry. I can feel it falling off.
It's not falling off.
Okay. Get back to work. Cutting out the shorts pattern. This fabric is like butter. We call them the butter shorts. Hey, we got some shorts. These are gonna go under the white skirt. Don't let this confuse you. This is just a simple A-line skirt, and then I'm cutting that half of a front in half again, and then I'm adding seam allowance to each of those edges. It's looking rough, but it does get better. All I did is I sewed down half of the seams, and then I just folded over the inside flaps of the bottom half and sewed those down so it was open. So it was sewn halfway and then left open this way, but these flaps were folded in. Should have been a teacher. Can I see something cute? Okay, just remember, the skirt is not hemmed and the trim is not laid down all the way properly yet. And now, we accessorize. All I did was I took a piece of printer paper, I set it on her shoulder, and then I sketched out what I thought the shoulder armor should look like. Here I am cutting it out on EVA foam. You can get this at Hobby Lobby or other places like Amazon. China, you can get it from China too. Excellent Instapot potatoes. This has to be the most exciting part of the project, and it's just the decorating. So these are little studs that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'll link them in the description because I don't remember my name. Come on. This is the belt, and it's just patterned in the same way. I just lay paper against my kids and sketch out what I think the pattern should look like. I want to know how you guys made your belts. I just laced this with some embroidery floss so I could loosen it and get it over my daughter's hips. But tell me what you did. I would love to hear your answers. Most of the chains that I used for both of these K-pop costumes has been from a spool of gold chain from Hobby Lobby from the jewelry section. But the two chunkier chains on this belt are actually necklaces from the Hobby Lobby jewelry section as well. So go there when they're having offers and it'll probably be about $1 like it was for me. We're done. You all ready for this? That's it for this week, guys. Remember to subscribe, and you may also be interested in the Rumi costume that we finished a couple weeks ago. But next week, I'm pretty sure I have to put a full dinosaur costume together in like 5 days.